Welcome back to Easy Crypto, not financial advice, easy crypto updates. Like, share, and follow at EasyCrypto9 and also at EasyCrypto29. Here's our Bitcoin update. Bitcoin has now fallen down below 0.236, headed back down to possibly 80,000 if it breaks 84. And right now we're at a 35% drop down here. That was the lowest, in November 21st. If we really see more of like a 50% drop right here to 65,000 is a 47% decrease, which is huge. But that would fall in line with back here in October 2024 where we rejected and we finally broke through 65 and then retested and then took off all the way back up here to over 100,000. So we're gonna possibly come all the way back down to this level here to 65, and that would just complete this rounding, this larger rounding pattern that we have here, like this, all the way back down. We have the little rounding patterns in between. We've had this one. We're having this one. We had one back here. So the larger zoomed out rounding pattern, we rounded all the way back down, possibly back down to 65,000. It's not out of the line. It's not out of the cards to do so. Of course, we don't want that to happen. What we want is for it to hold. So if we get rid of these lines, we can zoom in, see it a little better. We don't want that huge 50% drop. But if this is a bear market, well, then that's in the cards and you must be aware. If we zoom back in, we're going to hit the fib levels, and you know what I say here on this channel, fibs don't lie. We finally held 0.236, finally broke all the way back down to this 84,000, came back up, rejected at the 236, had a little fake out, came back down, another little fake out. Now we're just falling down, barely holding the midline of the Fibonacci. Next stop is 84, then 80, and then 74. Those are our levels to watch. Quick review of the other coins. They're all doing the same. ETH rejecting off the 236. XRP rejected off the 236 and is going all the way back down, possibly way back down here. $1.80. Ondo fell below the 236 and is just crashing all the way back down to new lower lows. Just horrible. Chainlink rejected and crashing. Cardano just crashing back down. 37 cents is in the next target. Sui rejecting, fell below, rejecting at the 236, going to go back down to 34 cents. HBAR rejected and crashed, new lows, 11 cents. So the market is definitely in bear territory. We're just probably going to have to wait, ride the rest of this year out, and just hope for the best for first quarter, maybe second quarter 2026 to get these bounces back up, and then we'll review where everything is at that time. And once Bitcoin and crypto starts to slide back on up, tune into Easy Crypto for your latest chart updates.